everybody, Travis here from DisKingdom, Infinity and Beyond. I am currently here along the Hudson River. You see over there in the distance, probably World Trade Center. I'm over at Chelsea Pier, beautiful Chelsea Pier, for an event with Disney Infinity and BloggerBash. And we just got today from Disney Infinity Mulan. So I'm going to attempt to do an unboxing here on Riverside. So let's try this out. Well, first we can look at the here, of course, Mulan, now playing Toy Box 3.0. And then there's all the other characters that are available at launch. Mulan, the Inside Out characters, Mickey, Minnie, the two Tron characters, and Olaf. Bear with me 1 second. She's being a little pain in the butt. Okay. We have... every character comes with the card, so there's her card. Beautiful. I like the purple background for the Disney original characters this time around. And then we actually have the Mulan figure right here. Absolutely beautiful. Stunning. I like how they got Ming Na to come in and redo the voice for Mulan. It's great. It's always great when you get the original actors to come back to do it. Really, I mean, I demoed her a little bit in gameplay over the past couple weeks at different events. I didn't get to do much with her, but what I did do was pretty cool. There's her base. Really nice, really nice. So I'm going to be taking pictures of Mulan around New York City. Well, maybe not around New York City, but around the harbor here at least, along the Hudson River today. And then throughout my travels until launch on August 30th. So enjoy.